Okay, while we were gone, we managed to get the nails out and the pieces broken off, and we finished trimming off what we need, I hope. And here we're going to try to see if we can get the pipe all the way through. We got this thing with a sleeve. This is what we do to hold the pipes together, where we're going to hold them together so we can take them apart, so if we have to clean them. So this is this big, huge sleeve, and it's got 3 big bolts on it. It clamps around the pipes, and it holds itself together. So we're temporarily using that for a guide. We'll wiggle that on the pipe, and we got this short stubby piece sticking out the end. And we'll take this other piece of pipe, and we're gonna move the ladder and we'll go on the other side real quick to see if it comes through correctly. So we drop that through there. Whoops. Something just slid the wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there it looks lined up. Look at that, it almost fits perfect. We almost cut the hole right even. Anyway, so the pipes are still a little short to get to where we're going. Because we have to come around this side of the joist over here, because this is where we're going to lay the pipe, because the pipe's going out that way, and that's the next part we're going to start. So anyway, so we got to put this pipe in, drill a hole through the wall, put the pipe in, and figure out this dimension right here. So let's take a moment, and we'll take this out of the way so it doesn't fall and kill us, and we'll go and start drilling the hole in the wall. I want to turn it off. All right.
Sounds good.
Okay, we got to move the ladder. Put the ladder over here.
Okay.
We already figured out where we got to drill the hole.
Show where the hole is again, please.
Well, we'll show you in just a minute here.
Okay, and show what
we got this big drill with a big, huge 4-inch hole bit on it, and it's the deep type. There's the shallow ones and deep ones. You need a deep one to drill all the way through 1.5 inch thick joist.
Right there.
There's joists on the side of the house there.
What is the spot? The exact spot?
The exact spot is right in the middle of the joist,
okay.
About 1.5 inches from the bottom, because we're going to use a 2x4 for a spacer, because we use the 2x4 here for a spacer and also the hanger.
Okay.
So now we got to go up here, and we already kind of marked the hole, so we know where we're going.
Okay, so you're going to drill now.
We're going to drill a piece of the joist out of it, a hole in the joist, the outer footing joist. There we go. So we can, because we still got to drill through the brick to get all the way outside, and we don't want to do that yet today, because it's still pretty cold out. Yeah. And we don't have the pipes all ready yet.
It's so, only single digits today.
That hurt.
What happened?
It bit.
Well, we'll let him drill and we'll come back and see you guys later. See you later.
This ain't easy when you're fat and greasy.